Just made a play today. I just might drop a new day today. Smoke a weed, ballin' in the make way. Young rich nigga, that's safe to say. Bitch wanna fuck with me cause I'm ballin'. Knowing that I won't call in the morning. Whole lot of kush, never have a shortage. Whole lot of bank and my bitch is gorgeous. Whole lot of niggas on my section back. Whole lot of whips with the top on back. Taylor gang niggas on top, that's facts. Niggas still ain't need to stop all that. All we do is roll some joints and smoke until the sun come up. All we do is grind all day and try to get the money up. All we do is hit the club, tell some bitches go with us. Party and get down. All we do is roll some joints and smoke until the sun come up. All we do is grind all day and try to get the money up. All we do is hit the club, tell some bitches go with us. Party and get won't you sing it one more time, sugar? I'ma just hit Johnson and get a big over this one. Yes, sir. That's just fake news. Trippy, man. That's just fake news. Now that's a big thing. the same time I came up with a plan how to go and get it. Split it with my niggas, right down the middle, way too official. Life for the livers. Tomorrow you gonna hear about it, but you know we did it. Hell, now that's a mixtape. I got a meal cause I signed my name. Rack ain't dope game all the same. Them niggas you with is all kind of lame. Beauty more chains, they should be ashamed. Outside smoking on my own strain. My nigga, you got to own things. Studying high, got high praise, got things that make some things. High rise, I fell with the brain. Sleep in the clouds, flows loud. You don't need a name. With a broke boy complain. That bro became a pain. All showing it in the same. studying my DNA, they tryna clone a G. What they couldn't take it if they wanted, got my lane, not controlling. Brother Alex, wanna roll, cause it might be blow. Been standing front row, right night to show. Burning good weed, counting as I fade away. You can trust that the realest is, always was, will be us. So I just. They said they never seen a nigga do it this good. But you already they never seen a nigga do it this good. But you already know. Already know. Movies, what I'm making, new jacuzzi, what I'm bathing. Jewelry, all this paper, new and fully automated. More than hater, chances are that you are kinda same. Make a couple million, I suggest you buy some change. Major haters, what I make, that's why they delete me. I make the play to win the game, so I'm the MVP. Smoking on the street, they ain't what they pretend to be. Strictly business, ain't no feelings in this industry. Smoking on some cake, they got just for myself. Never said some bumper shit I wouldn't do myself. Used to trip on all my niggas with the weeds gone. Now I ain't stressing cause I got my own weed. Change the game. That's exactly what I'ma do. What I'ma do. They said they never seen a nigga do it this good. But you already
Bring it in. And she puts out like a little rapper. That's the play that the guy takes out. Here, so an old rapper. You know what I would do? Like if somebody in my office put up an old record card for us, and then we realized it was an old record. You know, we go up and look. Here's the record. So we have to put up, right? We have to have like a now there's the people we have to like, oh God, no, that's the wrong person. Here's the new version. 5 minutes. Put up version 1.0. It's actually version 5.0 that should have gone up.
That's just fake news.
In the wild with me, got a bitch who knows for total pistol right on side.
gang stars in these rap wars. Ain't nothing band-aids won't cover. Touring with 7D coverage. Live bands, 2 buses. My own cash, no budget, no major label fundings. Just baby, we went from crawling to walking to running. You can't say nothing, you under gag. All the hopping out of Audis, hurting y'all with kicks on the transporter. Think about it, damn mind, you ain't gotta. I'm already on some whole other word to your motherfucking self. Nobody else gon' do it for you. Nobody else ain't mad. There's someone to offer you help, but they ain't doing nothing till they really see you trying to do something. I ain't bluffing, push puffing on you jive touches, stuffing stockings with these gifts.
Now, nigga, that's a mixtape. Now, nigga, that's a mixtape.
Smoking out the big shot, big shot. Snack up, snack up. This, that, gold BBS flow. Classic Nike hair tags on your original phone. Niggas is Z on your mans and I'm rolling the O. Leave them sleep, I don't need them suckers listening to me. Bound forward everything except the kitchen sink. Underneath which I keep a set of Andy slippers. I can fix my line and before we go over by them bitches. A quick little something can't get the back. I don't know where I left my hand mirror. Type of dilemmas that never hinder my jet living. We just chillin', so don't come around here fake toughin', running off the women, bossed up. All us outside the club waiting to tip drivers. We put our cars up. The fuck you thought this was, dawg? I'm a trill motherfucker after all. Haters is dressed in safety nets, encouraging my fall. Won't catch me there, but you can catch me on air when my new shit premiere. At whatever media outlet decide to play it fair. Fuck playing dead pimpin', I'ma play the bell. Grizzly, seriously, Fishburne, turn flip style, furiously. This deck 7 is so green, alchemistry. A-Mac, been the G since Buddy Lee's. Lanes big cupping they jeans, and your bitches. I be cooking these bird assholes, running circles round them, they rotisserie chickens. Love got a shovel in her hand, I see you digging. Strike gold, fill your own coffin with it, dead ass. Flick ashes on the girls in my past tense. The tell is for the ones I was just fucking. The crib for the one I was gon' get right back with. It's easy to get tangled in the stars, spangled, mangled in the nightlife, living out my bars. Dangerous, yeah.
Now, that's a mixtape.
Pablo's call. I'm here to pick up from Pablo's phone.
Enough bread in my infrared. On the points bread higher than the land. Jaggers is the sledge. In my Jimmy sled. Silver lead. If you scared, homie, fake dead. Man, dread is sagging in that rain. Chevy. Know I'm from New Orleans. Know I fuck with California. Everything ready. Focus, cause I see that new approach. And we gon' get this ice in motion. Get these vault doors open. Let us count up in the morning dress. Fresh at my lemonade. Stretching them investments. I'm forever paying niggas like past they incense. Infected ascension. Gotta get them out of circle. They don't fight the gyrations. Talking doing circle. 9-11 turbo. Flexing. All one lit while we plotting out the next one. Gotta keep them guessing. Jet life till we die. Though the vibe is
night is almost over, but we still wanna party. Ain't no one here sober. The weed I'm rolling snarly. The night is almost over, but we still wanna party. Ain't no one here sober. The weed I'm rolling snarly. The night is almost over, but we still wanna party. Ain't no one here sober. The weed I'm rolling snarly. The night is almost over, but we still wanna party. Ain't no one here sober. The weed I'm rolling snarly. Money in the bank, but my health is more important. My whip got 2 doors, my crib got 3 floors. My bitch better than yours. When you making it, don't take too long before you break the bread. Some niggas real, some niggas faking. I try to be on point. Some niggas who look up to me do what I did. It turned out to be something great. You sleeping, I'm staying awake. Spend the weekend out the country, can't say what I made. Became a boss, learned the balance, the name of the game. These squiggly guys trying to read what it say on my change. I always rap for my team, never slave for the fame. The night is almost over, but we still wanna party. Ain't no one here sober. The weed I'm rolling snarly. The night is almost over, but we still wanna party. Ain't no one here sober. The weed I'm rolling snarly.
I'ma just remix y'all shit and get big off it. And I'm back, returning to my mic is back.
On va vraiment enlever le truc de feu dehors. Hein.
Ouais.
Parce que le truc qui cache le truc de feu, j'aimerais le mettre sur mon barbecue.
Ok.
Qu'est-ce que ça fait dans l'ordi? Pourquoi t'avais cette face-là? Ah. J'espère que ça se déprogramme rien désinstallé, rien.
Continue notre table, parce que ça m'aiderait vraiment beaucoup. Mettre à côté, parce que je peux pas travailler comme ça.
Sur la table, elle est partout.
Là-dessus.
Moi, je mets les chaises là parce que s'il n'y a pas de chaise, vous allez mettre plein d'inconvénients.